Imagine you're building a new PC, but you don't want to blow your whole budget on the motherboard. That's where this model comes in. It offers a surprising amount without draining your wallet. Stick around, because today we're looking at a motherboard that falls in the entry-level price range, but still comes packed with features. Looking at this motherboard, it's immediately clear. Compact, practical, and surprisingly versatile for the price. Thanks to the AM4 socket, you can use a wide range of Ryzen processors, from the popular 3000 series all the way to the modern 5000 series. That gives you a lot of flexibility, whether you're building a budget office PC or a solid gaming rig. For memory, there are only 2 slots, but they support up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4. More than enough for almost any scenario. A nice bonus, you get a fast M.2 slot for NVMe SSDs, plus 4 SATA connections if you want to add more drives. On the graphics side, you get 3 outputs: HDMI, DVI-D, and D-Sub. That makes it easy to hook up multiple monitors, including 4K via HDMI 2.1. The 4+3 phase power delivery is solid. It's not built for extreme overclocking, but it's stable enough for everyday Ryzen CPU use. Add in features like Smart Fan 5 for flexible fan control, and even RGB Fusion 2.0 if you want some lighting in your system. A real highlight is QFlash Plus. You can update the BIOS without installing a CPU, RAM, or graphics card. Extremely handy if you want to use newer processors. Of course, there are some limits. It only supports PCIe 3.0, so no PCIe 4.0, and there's no built-in Wi-Fi, so you'll need a wired connection or an extra card. But for the price, those downsides are easy to live with. All in all, this motherboard is a rock-solid choice for anyone who wants a budget-friendly but reliable foundation for their PC. If that sounds good to you, make sure to check the video description for the best deals. Pros: affordable price with solid features. Supports a wide range of Ryzen processors. Fast NVMe M.2 slot plus multiple SATA ports. BIOS update via QFlash Plus without CPU or RAM. Flexible fan control with Smart Fan 5. Expandable RGB lighting. Cons: only PCIe 3.0, no PCIe 4.0, just 2 RAM slots, limiting upgrades. No built-in Wi-Fi, no advanced overclocking features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly but reliable base for your PC, this motherboard is definitely worth considering. It has everything you need for gaming or office use without unnecessary extras. Check out the links in the video description for current deals. And if you liked this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment about which motherboard you're using right now. That way you'll always stay up to date and never miss another exciting review.